Okay, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home. I want to talk about mechanical rooms. Now, I know there's some other YouTubers out there that go crazy on mechanical rooms. We know who that YouTuber is. He loves the mechanics of stuff, and so do I. I'm a big believer in incorporating a mechanical room in the design of your home. If you don't do that, you're not going to control where the mechanics go. And what are the mechanics? Mechanics are electrical, plumbing, heating and air conditioning, water softener, low voltage, a lot of that. If you don't have a mechanical room, they're going to come in and just put it willy-nilly wherever they want, and a lot of that is just not going to make sense. So if you confine them in one space, you'd be amazed what your subcontractors can do. You tell them you've got this here's about I think it's about a 7 foot by, I can tell you what it is, 6'8" by 9 feet this way. And you tell them you got to fit everything in there. And if they say, no, you can't be done, you say it's got to be done, and it can be done, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. I love being able to put my heating systems in the home. Not on the roof and not on the attic. They're inside conditioned space. And when you keep everything inside conditioned space means inside the envelope of the home. It's more efficient. Any HVAC guy will tell you that if you can put it inside the home, it's going to be more efficient. So we've got 2 units in here. We're about 3,200 square foot home on one level. So we've got 2 units in the home. We've got a tankless water heater here. We've got a water softener in the back with a reverse osmosis system in the back. We've also got a line set, which is right here. And this is going to go out to the backyard for a mister system because we live in the desert. Hot summer days can exist, get up to 110, 115 degrees. It gets so uncomfortable, it's nice to be under a mister, so we've got a mister system coming in as well. And then behind the door, we've got our electrical panel. I'll have you stuff to show you there with some other roll. So everything minus my low voltage, which is really just the security camera system, which is in the pantry. Minus that, everything is inside the mechanical room. Don't feel afraid of a small space. We now have room for a mop and a bucket, and we can have a wall right here. We can actually put some brooms and all kinds of stuff right here on the system. So it's very efficient. And we got a pedestal up here where we can actually put some of our water softener up high, and we got a drain down below in the floor. I have a huge checklist of a lot of things that I've added to my program at How to Build Your Own Home, and it deals with mechanical rooms. And there's a long checklist of a lot of things to consider and how you can incorporate a mechanical room. Now you can take up a small section of a garage, make the garage a little deeper, and have a small section for a mechanical room, or take it into a closet or beyond the closet. Think about that. I just had a student that had their plans sent back from the city because they didn't have a mechanical room. And I think even a lot of cities and building departments are saying, where are you going to put your water heater? Where are you going to put your furnace? Where are you going to put all that? Because they want more efficiency and they want it more in enveloped space. Now, one of the best things that I like about this is if you don't like putting a filter in the attic and having to change that all the time, the best thing is it's right here. So now I've got my filter accessible right here. So I can change my filter at any time, put it back in, and I'm done. That's called efficiency, and it's also a safety thing for if you're getting older and retired. You're not having to climb up there to change that. So a lot of advantages to a mechanical room. I can really talk forever on that, but I made a promise that I was going to talk about this one. This is what we've done in a really tight space. This is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home.